Hi guys, so today we're going to read At the Farm. I'm going to read it first. I will also attach it to the email I'm sending out. And so I'll read it first, I'll attach it, and y'all can work on the questions. So here we go. At the farm. We are at the farm. I see a red barn. What do you see? I see a pink pig. He is in the mud. What do you see? I see a brown cow. He is in the grass. What do you see? I see a red hen. He is in the dirt. What do you see? I see a farmer. He is by the barn. Now the questions for this passage are, what is one thing they see at the farm? Number 2 is, what else might they see at the farm? Would you see a whale at a farm? Would you see a horse at a farm? Or would you see a dolphin at a farm?